Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you want to create eye-catching viral thumbnails super easily, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a viral thumbnail using Grok AI step by step, fast and professionally. Let's dive right in. First, head over to YouTube and search for a video with a thumbnail you really like, something that's already getting tons of views. Once you find it, simply copy the link of that video. Now open Google and type in YouTube Video Downloader. Click on the first website that pops up, paste the copied YouTube link there, and download the thumbnail directly to your device. Next, go to Grok AI, which is an incredible tool that can help you create high-quality, viral thumbnails in no time. Upload the thumbnail you just downloaded, then go to the description of this video, where I've provided a powerful prompt specifically designed for Grok AI. Copy that prompt, paste it into the Grok AI prompt box, and hit the enter button. Now just wait a few seconds and watch the magic happen. And that's it. Your brand new professional viral thumbnail is ready. It's quick, simple, and super effective. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more tips like this, and comment below if you want me to share even more secret AI tools to level up your content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.